Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can withdraw your money from WarriorPlus. So as you can see, I am now in my dashboard and I just got a commission and I want that commission to be in my bank account. So it's actually pretty easy. You just need to know how you need to do it, of course. So what you need to do is you need to go to the top right until you see your name, just tap on it. And as you see a WarriorPlus wallet, so W plus wallet. Just tap on that. And since I created an account, I do not have any money in my bank account. Current balance 0.00 USD. But if you have, you can just tap on withdraw and you need to fill in or fill out your tax form. It's pretty easy to do that. Just fill in your data, you fill in your information, and boom, you're done. Now, let's say if you made a $50 commission, you can determine what you want to withdraw. The minimum is $10, but if you have 50, you can just say, for example, I want $25 in my bank account right now. So it takes about 2 to 3 business days till the money has arrived into your bank account. But yeah, it's actually pretty easy to process. You can do this with a minimum of $10 within your bank account or within your WarriorPlus account. And yeah, it's pretty easy. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.